If I may introduce Dr. Wu from the Civil Aviation Second Research Institute in Africa for No Country Left Behind.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wu Honggang, and I am from CASRI, that is, Civil Aviation Second Research Institute of China. And this is the first time for us to be here to let you know more about us, about CASRI. And today, I'm so glad to be here to take this opportunity to present our perspectives of NCLB, especially our contributions in Africa. Yes, so, and Africa is our main market, which has been successfully developed in past years. And we consider it to be a good reflection of ICAO's promote NCLB. Today, my presentation includes 4 parts. Firstly, I want to give you a brief introduction of CASRI, who we are and what we do. And then I'll describe our understanding of NCLB and our CASRI's contributions for NCLB. And you know, given that the NCLB needs or requires long-term commitments and persistence, support, and coordinations of all states members or member states, okay? And so I want to share with you our perspective for NCLB and end of the presentation. The first part is brief introduction of CASRI. Just now I have mentioned CASRI as a short, as abbreviation, is a Civil Aviation Second Research Institute. And it is a subsidiary of CAAC. And CAAC is China's Civil Aviation Authority. And CASRI was established in 1958 in Beijing, in the capital of China, you see. And it is the only applied technology research institute of China Civil Aviation. And later, CASRI has been relocated in the city of Chengdu, southwest China, and which is famous for the Great Panda's homeland. Maybe you have a chance to go there. And CASRI has been gradually developed into a high technology, innovation institute, and enterprise. Now, CASRI is the largest or main provider of civil aviation services and products in China. And there are 2 pictures. The left side is our building in Beijing, yes, maybe 50 years ago, and the right side is our new headquarters in Chengdu. And what about our vision? Our CASRI's vision is to provide, to deliver to maximum convenience to the passengers by the advantagement of aviation technology. And our mission is for our customers, both in China and overseas, creating values and promoting the improvement of the industry. And 4 keywords to describe our value: solidarity, encouragement, honesty, and innovation. And what we do, yes, there are some fields of our business: extra low voltage and information technology, IT system, design, consultation, and construction. And BHS of airport, baggage handling system, design and construction. Air traffic control, automation systems, and some aerochemical products. There are some key factors of CASRI. Nowadays, we have over 1,000 employees. They do technology research, product design, development, integration, test, and technical support. And in 2015, last year, our sales revenue is about $200 million. There are some highlights of CASRI. Every day, in the worldwide, over 100 airports, 170 aviation transportation and maintenance enterprises, and over 50 ATC units are using our products and services. And per year, over 400 million travelers enjoy our safe and reliable products and services. These pictures are from our project. Some key products of CASRI. The first one is EOV systems, extra low voltage system, EOV, and it's such as flight information display system, CCTV system, airport network system, security system, and something else. For example, Beijing Capital International Airport Terminal 3, and it's the largest single terminal building in the world. The building area is 980,000 square meters, very huge, very large. And the entire ELV system and more than 30 extra low voltage subsystems are designed by CASRI. And airport baggage handling systems. And CASRI is the largest provider in China of the BHS system, integration, design, and maintenance, and some key equipments. And now over 40 airports are using our baggage handling system in the worldwide. And that CASRI can also provide some key equipments of BHS, such as tilt, tray, sorter, conveyor, and baggage category, and something else. And recently, and now, CASRI are undertaking a very huge project of Chinese Chongqing International Airport, a very big project. The Chongqing Airport Terminal 3 is about 600,000 square meters, and the amount of investment is over $70 million, and it will apply CASRI's latest TTS, tilt tray system, automatic baggage handling system. And another key product is IT system, information technology for hub airports. CASRI has accomplished information integration system of 7 hub airports in China. Example, the Guangzhou International Airport, the second largest airport in China, has 50 million passengers throughput a year, and CASRI cover 17% market share of domestic hub and main airports. Because of our advanced technology and high-quality products, the airport command and dispatch system developed by us won the 2006 State Science and Technology Progress Award. And another key product is ATC automation system, air traffic control for. And now, over 20 ATMB, air traffic management bureau, sub-bureaus, or stations are using our ATC automation system, approach, terminal management, and ACC. Also, we can provide some aerochemical products, and including aircraft de-icing and anti-icing fluids. You see the anti-icing fluids type 1, type 2, type 4. And by far, we are the only enterprise that can provide the whole series of de-icer products for aircraft in Asia. And we also can provide some runway de-icer series, these products. Okay, now I want to describe our understanding of NCLB. NCLB, yes, that is no country left behind. And ICAO, yes, promotes NCLB to assess and ensures each country to implement unified SOPs. And so all countries can enjoy significant social and economic benefits. Yes. And let's review background of NCLB. In 2014, due to the great difference of the SOPs implementation of member states, ICAO held a council meeting to discuss how to better communicate with member states and provide assistance. And the meeting decides ICAO should focus on countries with higher accident rate or security threat, encouraging developed countries to provide more comprehensive assistance. And ICAO should provide more direct assistance and actively coordinate the integration of resources, participation of regional works, disseminate funding, and enhancing construction capabilities. And this year, in 2016, ICAO has extended the focus from safety to safety and air navigation. And what about our understanding? There are 3 points that's very important. We think the first one, it is committed to implement unified standards and regulations in all member states. And we think we should focus our attention, our concerns more on developing countries. And the third, by providing targeted services for civil aviation practitioners of developing countries, it enables the realization of NCLB objectives. The third part, I want to tell you something about CASRI's contributions of NCLB. You know, now CASRI products are widely deployed both in China and in overseas, such as Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America. And today, we want to choose the Africa as a good reflection of NCLB. And why? Because China and Africa has a very good relationship. So we had so many projects in Africa. And we think Africa has a very great potential development in civil aviation industry. Okay, there are some examples. There are 2 pictures. The left side is from Congo, Africa, Maya International Airport. Yes, the Congo's president, yes, have a visit of CASRI's project in the field. And right side is in Comoros. The vice president and the China ambassador have a visit of our project field. Okay, so I want to give you an example in details, as in Congo, Maya International Airport. And the Republic of Congo is in the central of Africa. So, and maybe the population is just 4.6 million people, and the land covers maybe 340,000 square kilometers. And China and Congo has a very good relationship since 1964. And at that time, the diplomatic relationship was established. And so China has much invests in Congo in various areas. And Maya International Airport is a very important and major project of China and Congo cooperation. Unfortunately, CASRI was in charge of the entire ELV and IT system construction. But at that time, in 2010, we have only 3 months to accomplish this project and testing. So the time is limited. And our project teams encounters some difficulties. For example, the flood. Because of monsoon seasons, the railway was flooded. So our equipment cannot be transported to the airport on time. But our team conquered these difficulties and finished the project, the whole project, just in 2 months and a half. So it's a miracle. And at the National Day of the 50th anniversary of Congo, the president come to our project field and attending the ceremony of the opening ceremony of airport and give us a high praise. And 3 years later, yes, fortunately, CASRI was in charge of the BH baggage handling system of Maya Airport. You know, in 2013, yes, Ebola epidemic is very serious, but we still finished the whole project on time. And till now, in Maya Airport, our products has provided the good service, yes, for the 8 million people at the airport. Another examples in Angola, yes, Luanda International Airport. And there are lists of our projects we have done or we are undertaking in Africa. Maybe above 20 projects in Africa. So you see, CASRI can provide relatively low cost but high performance products, service, and something other, yes, systems for Africa. But these products meet the international standards. So we think our projects in Africa is a good reflection of NCLB promoted by ICAO. And last, we want to tell you something about our perspectives for NCLB in the future. And for Africa, at present, passenger throughput of all airports in Africa is just only 180 million. It's not huge. So we think Africa maybe is a new economy growth pole, and yes, maybe next decades, Africa is a new economic engine in the worldwide. And also China has a strategy for economic development named the Belt and Road Initiative, and Africa is an important component. And the China-Africa Cooperation Forum proposed 10 major cooperative plans involving infrastructure, economy, green development, health, and humanity. Also, Africa released year 2063 planning and the first 10 years plan, and including many transportation infrastructures. And now the land of Africa is maybe 30 million kilometers square and has 120 million population. And it is estimated the population of Africa will reach 160 million in 2025. So we think the civil aviation industry of Africa has a great potential of development. Sorry, that's a mistake. So for the future, for NCLB, what about our perspective? We expect that we are able to use our good technologies, products, and rich experience to make a contribution in the construction of aviation infrastructure in Africa and provide top standard products and solutions for African clients and customers. We continue to promote the unity of African aviation standards and ICAO, and we want to achieve the common development of African civil aviation industry and CASRI. And in the future, we will keep regular communications with ICAO and its sub-organizations. And our product design and standards will fulfill the ICAO SOPs. And we will continue to participate into more construction works of airport infrastructures. And we will establish joint funding, which is to provide support for technology exchange, and the training of developing countries in Africa. And we will enhance the cooperation and coordination of aviation units in the worldwide. Okay, that's all, and it's first time for me to be here to give this presentation. And thank you. Merci.